week because this is actually going to be the last week of the project, or I should say the last video. I was trying to catch up with my pool builder and trying to like figure out our timeline because it's been a hot second since I've done this. And I'm like, where are we? Like, what do we have left? What are you thinking we're wrapping up? We're actually just getting ready to leave to go to Walt Disney World. And I'm just like, is this going to be done by the time we're leaving? And he thinks so. He thinks that we have one delay with one of our cabinets. The cabinets that we ordered were in stock, but then they went out of stock and now they're on back order. So we're just picking out new cabinets. So we have one little delay with that, but essentially everything is going to get done in this video. That's my goal, is to have everything kind of done in this video so you guys can see everything. I'm guessing it's going to be about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks worth, but it's more because we're just waiting for little bits and pieces to come in, but it's turning out so good, you guys. Like, I'm just looking outside. I'm waiting for the construction crews to show up because they should be here any minute. So I feel like if I'm out here, like I won't like interfere with them, but then I can also see if they're getting started. It's so much fun to sit and watch all of this. I enjoy it so much. All in all, it's been going really well. Also too, I placed in a call to my landscaper. He's going to be out here probably all this week and then into next week. And that is going to be a hefty project. One little tip, I did this with our last pool and we actually bought a big kiddie, like, I don't know, like 5 foot wide plastic kiddie pool, just like the $10 pools from Target, Walmart, wherever you find them. I put potting soil in there, and then any plants that I needed to save, I temporarily planted them in this pool. It worked so well. I had to actually get multiples of them, but then I was able to kind of keep them in areas where it's the right sun that they need. I was able to just drill some holes in the bottom of the pool for proper drainage. It didn't kill the grass because I put it on the driveway. We have to pressure wash our driveway anyway, so I thought that would be just fine. But it saved hundreds and hundreds of dollars because essentially what was it, 6 months ago when we started like the clearing project, that we redid a bunch of the back flower bed, but not perfect. This needed to still be done, but just to make it look a little bit better. But we still spent a lot of money on plants kind of zhuzhing it up. And so instead of just losing everything, we put it in those kiddie pools, those plastic kiddie pools. I think people use them for dogs and that too. But all in all, super helpful, super cost effective. And I think I just got like the biggest bags of potting soil from Walmart, and I had them delivered for like $10 a bag. It was not much at all. But yeah, I'll go ahead and stop being so chatty and then we'll get started with the video because this is the week. Like this is the week we're gonna look like a real production here. Like, it's really all gonna come together, and I think it's gonna be just beautiful.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Don't let me darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. The weight is off your shoulder. Everything we fear will go away. You said it's a promise. I said that I doubt that. I'm your only reason to stay. Darkness has robbed me of my sight. Hold on to what I believe in the light. Are you doing well? Do you feel fine? Don't need an answer, just need a sign. I'm feeling bad, I'm feeling good. Feeling like I never could. Wait for me, I'm almost there. Soon we're floating in the air. So let it go, just let it be. Why don't you be you and I'll be me? That's what it took to open my eyes. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply. Some kind of reply. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply.
Well, it's actually done. It is so bright. It is such a bright, beautiful day here. And I cannot wait to show you guys everything. We have a little bit more things that we have to do. So we're back from Florida. We have a few more things. Are you seeing? We have a few more things that we have to do in Florida. I've actually filmed now a couple videos out here since we've been back, and I just couldn't wait. I needed to share everything. But it has turned out so good. I can't wait to just spill everything, show you guys all of the finished results. It's turned out so good. I have a few dead plants I have to refix. And then also too, we're waiting for, I think, 1 or 2 more pieces of furniture. But all the things came in. It all turned out beautiful. We did have to do the landscape in another phase. So that was one thing too. I think I talked in a different video about how I wanted to do a back flower bed with like a raised flower bed. It's easier to do a whole nother phase of things, and we ended up doing that with our last project too, our last pool that we built. Same with Elias. He agreed. He's like, do it exactly the way that you want it. Elias is our contractor, our like landscape contractor that we use. I actually got his information from Tammy with Flamingo Custom Pools, and she had referred them, and we have used them ever since. They do a beautiful job, like a beautiful job, and they know their worth. So, but considering how some landscape designers are and everything, they're not that bad. But he picked out some beautiful stuff. He helped with a lot of stuff. We have a couple I have a couple boxwoods that I'm looking at that my dog has, you know, lifted a leg on, I'll say, and I need to replant some of them. I got extras just in case for that happened because he's done that before. But I want to show everything when it's beautiful and done. I mean, it's beautiful, but it's all done, but I want to just put some fine-tuned touches on it. So that will be in the next video, though. You guys will see it. I'm going to work on it tomorrow, actually, and just have everything fresh, ready to go for you guys. And then also, too, I know we'll be adding on more. I know we'll be doing more. I know there's stuff that this year I couldn't find, so I'll have to wait till maybe next year or the future years to be doing a couple more design pieces too, just like rugs, pots, finishing, things like that. I have some, but I definitely want more. I need a couple more end tables. I'm having a hard time for finding the pools or finding the tables by the loungers, but it turned out so good. I'll give you guys like another little sneak peek. We've been using it just about every single day, and it's just beautiful. So I'm excited to share everything. At the end of all of this too, I would highly recommend our Contractors Flamingo Custom Pools. It's amazing. G4 electric, and of course too, Lawn's Beautiful. They make your lawn beautiful, and it would not be this way without them. I have looked at too many other pools. I've met with other pool builders in years past. No one does it like they do. No one, and just as a group effort, it just is so good. So I'm gonna leave it here. I will, in the next video too, have links for everything. If you guys have questions on anything, let me know in those comments down below. I'm happy to help with anything. If there's certain things you want to see, understand. I'm also planning on doing it for daylight and nighttime, so you can see it like that as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.